what's up, Superfit fam? This is Super Chat bringing you guys another awesome video. All right, today we're working planches, and I got my boy Austin Dunham here with me, and we're gonna show you guys some of our favorite exercises that we've utilized to actually learn the planche. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, so it was really windy out, and so most of this video is going to be done in a voiceover. Me and Austin, we've been training planche for a really long time, so that's a big reason why I reached out to him. So real quick, I just want to give you guys some planche motivation of some of the best things I've seen Austin do, as well as some of my best planches and Malteses.
Perfect.
So of course, guys, the first thing we did was warm up. When we warm up for planche, we make sure that we're moving our shoulders around a lot, as well as our wrist, elbows, and neck. These are some of the muscles that get really tight for us when we're training for our planche. So we made sure to get them moving in order to get the synovial fluid moving in our joints as to prevent injury. We also did a few handstands just to make sure our shoulders were really warmed up as well. So the first exercise we're going to get into is the tuck planche. This is the #1 exercise you need to be doing in order to learn how to planche. It's also going to be your very first planche variation. If you have trouble doing the tuck planche at all, I'll put a card up in the top right corner for you guys to learn exactly how to do the tuck planche. Me and Austin also realized after reviewing this video that we're kind of advanced, and we kind of went into more of an advanced tuck planche rather than a tuck planche. So when looking at this skill exactly, we redid it, and we actually made sure we were pulling our knees into our chest as much as possible rather than getting our knees a little bit further back towards our elbows. As you can see here, my knees, I started to really get them into my chest, and as you see Austin right here, he really kept those knees a lot closer to his chest or closer to his hands, which makes the center of gravity a lot easier to find and makes the skill generally a lot easier, especially if you are a beginner. Your main goal right now is to try to be able to achieve that skill and hold it for at least 30 whole seconds. A couple of key points that we're looking for in the tuck planche is making sure that we have nice straight arms, again, that our knees are really into our chest, and we're pushing down really strong on the bars. That way we have a nice protraction of our scapula or a nice roundness to our back. Another great exercise for learning the planche will be the planche swing. The reason why this exercise is really good is because it teaches us how to push down and through the planche. Eventually, we'll even be able to press through all the way and get up into handstand. Some things to pay attention when doing this exercise. First thing, you want to make sure that your arms are nice and straight, and you also want to keep your knees as tucked into your chest as much as possible. As you get better, you want to slow down the motion. That way we get more tuck planche holds. Me and Austin both agreed that the pseudo planche push-up was hands down one of our favorite exercises. It's responsible for a lot of our gains and helped us in achieving planche push-ups, as well as reinforcing our planche lean. With everything planche, you want to make sure that your arms are straight, and then when you go down into this bent arm position, you want to make sure that you're squeezing your glutes and your abs to try to maintain your line. Every time you come up, you want to hold that planche lean for at least a second before you go into your next rep. This will greatly increase your gains. Another thing to pay attention to when you're doing the pseudo planche push-up is the direction of your hands. You can tell that both of our hands are sideways, as this is the most ideal and most comfortable position for our hands to decrease the amount of stress placed on our wrists. There are other hand positions available for learning planche and the pseudo planche push-up, but we felt that this is the best for our wrists. The next exercise is the planche lean. So some things you want to avoid is excess arching in the back. So one thing that me and Austin commonly see is bad line when people are doing their planche lean. So that means that there's no glute engagement or any ab engagement. When you engage your core the right way, you'll have a nice straight line like Austin is showing here. If it's a little bit too tough, lean a little bit less. So some key things that we're looking for in the planche lean is nice straight arms, no pikiness in the hips like you see there. Keep your arms nice and straight, and core engagement, glute engagement, trying to keep that nice straight line. As I said, if it's too tough, lean less. So a major thing to always remember, you're never really going to stop doing the planche lean. The planche lean is probably one of the most crucial exercises in getting better at planche and different planche variations. You can always make this exercise even harder for yourself and progress even further with it by leaning just a little more.
Perfect.
If you guys are really enjoying the video so far, remember to give a like and a subscribe, as it really does help my page out. So the final exercise is actually going to be a partner exercise. We're going to be doing planche leans with the help of a friend. This is going to allow us to really push those limits to how far we can lean forward without that feeling that we're going to fall down on our face. This is really, really good for increasing your overall planche lean capabilities. And it's also good because your friend can also look at your planche line and actually help give you some cues at the same time. All right, Superfit fam, I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. I hope some of those exercises help you guys in achieving your planche journey. You have anything you want to say, Austin?
Just stay consistent with your planche training. Do it consistently over time, and you'll definitely get it. So,
Cool. As always, stay healthy, stay fit, and peace. Hey guys, I just wanted to say thank you really quick. I've been on this YouTube journey lately, and I've been learning so much, and I've been getting so much great response, and so many people telling me that they're getting so much help and so much value from my videos. So I just want to thank you guys for leaving questions in the comments and giving me more ideas on things I should create for YouTube content. As always, if you guys have any other questions, leave it in the comments below. Also, really big news, the instant I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be having a small giveaway. So be on the lookout for that as well. But you got to be a subscriber to get that. So make sure you like and subscribe to my page.